discernment. I can't get over your new... It looks good. It looks good. And by the way, I've been getting death threats. I'd like to see you try, because only God can kill me. Hey? I'd like to see that happen. You see the worry in my eye? Not happening. Can you look smoking hot? I try. And like people always say, no, don't do this. You're going to ruin your brand. You're going to ruin deals. I will tell you something that I've told myself before coming here, before getting to this point. If anything is ruined, then it was meant to be ruined by God. But if it's not ruined, then it was meant to be for you. So if this ruins anything, it just wasn't meant to be for me, because I don't see anything wrong that I'm doing except telling the truth. That's it. Thank you. Amen, Liz Queen. That is it. Why are you self-sabotaging? That's how you see it. We have two different views, and that's okay. But we don't care. The threat says I'm coming from Windsor. No. Live positively. God is by your side. Thank you. Must remember something, like a lot of people are like, no, don't do this, self-sabotage. I think that not a lot of people